How's it going, everybody? It is currently 5:30 a.m. and I feel like going kayak fishing. We're gonna check out one of my favorite spots today. I'm not gonna tell you guys what spot it is because, well, you know, get out there and find your own spots. But it's pretty early and I'm pretty tired, so let's get this kayak shit loaded up and let's do it. Shall we skedaddle? Let's do it. So I've been driving for maybe about 20-25 minutes now. I hate driving behind semi-drivers because look at this crap. Now I got a chip on my windshield. Didn't know it costed that much to go out here. Silly. There's Canada Olympic Park in the summer. Ducky. Just past the semi-truck and it's starting to look really beautiful out here. As you can tell, I've went west from the city and that's all I'll tell you. Alright everybody, we have arrived and this is beautiful. I would really not rather be anywhere else today. No wind, no people. It's great. Just me and the yak. Alrighty, shall we get this show on the road? Let's do it. Down the rickety boat launch we go. Alright everybody, we're off of the boat launch, motoring out a bit. About to set up the fish finder. Let's get to fishing. No fish yet, but amazing scenery. And the helicopter's about to go over. I'm just jigging up and down. Oh, that could be a fish there. We'll see. Stay tuned. That is fish number one, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Oh, I did catch a fish. For some reason I thought that was a log. When I said, oh my goodness, I thought it was a log. Oh no. Alright, buddy. Settle down. Settle down. Yeah, you're okay. There he is. I was marking a bunch of fish over here, and I still am. So that's why I'm trolling over here. This is what I caught that on. Yeah. Works pretty good, dives very deep, like 20 plus feet. And that's where they're sitting. So we've just got the 2 cutthroat trout so far. Decent sizes. I'm finding the best way to catch these guys here is trolling. Every time I do the cast and reel, it doesn't seem to work so great, but every time I troll, I usually get 1 or 2, so we'll just keep trolling along here and see how we do. We got another tiny one trolling. Oh, he just hopped off right there. He was tiny. He was super tiny. But that's numero tres. I think the only bad part about coming in here is the boat launch. They don't open the vehicle access, which is pretty annoying if you ask me. Because yeah, that'd be real great to drive down instead of having to lug the kayak the whole way down. Guys, we have got numero 4. Numero 4. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I'm not bringing them in the boat. I'm just gonna take this hook off. Fish number 5. That's a decent one. A decent one. Apparently there's probably like 5 or more species of trout in here, but I've only seen a bull trout and cutthroat trout. Let's see what we can find today. Don't mind me just trolling along. This one's a better one, y'all. This one is a better one. Oh, rainbow. My first rainbow out of here. That's cool. Holy fuckaroni, buddy. You gotta settle it down. You gotta settle it down. My first rainbow out of here. Woohoo! That rainbow put up a better fight than the cutthroat. I have now switched to this. What does it say on there? Wally diver. Wally diver. Seems like the trolling is the way to go here, because I don't catch shit unless I'm trolling. Alright y'all, we're trolling back towards the boat launch. I think 6 is good enough for today. 2 different species, 1 rainbow, 5 cutthroat, 1 rainbow. And yeah, we're just gonna troll a little bit, make our way back to the boat launch. Takes us a little bit to pack all this stuff up, and it's like an hour and a half drive home, so yeah, we'll get this day going. Looks like there's some pretty cool hiking trails around here that I see people using, so that might be neat to check out at some point. But yeah, super beautiful out. Going back to the boat launch and got one. Oh, he's a runner. He's a runner. Alright, buddy. He's trying to hook me is what he's trying to do. Woohoo! Numero 7. Numero 7. Alright, I've got half of my stuff up here. Basically, I empty the kayak down there, walk the whole kayak up because trying to pull it on the wheels just doesn't work. Then I load everything up again at the top of the boat ramp, walk it to my car, unload everything. Yeah, gotta load and unload the kayak like 6 times to take it out in a day. It was a very good day. 7 trout. I'm pretty happy with that. Usually only get 1 or 2, so that was nice. Lost one of my favorite lures right off the bat, so you know I'll be heading to Cabela's. Yeah, man. This has been here since 6 a.m. Still here. I'm tempted to take it, but there might be a reason it's sitting there. It's probably messed up.